Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up Gather for remote teams. First, open Gather and sign in to your account. After logging in, create your workspace and enter your virtual office. When the office opens, you'll see a welcome message with the Walk to My Desk option. This helps new users learn how to use the workspace. Now click Walk to My Desk. Your character will move to the assigned desk automatically. After that, you can move around the office using the W, A, S, and D keys or the arrow keys on your keyboard. On the right side of the screen, you can see the Members panel. This shows the people who are currently in the workspace. You can walk around the office, explore different rooms, and see how the virtual workspace is organized. Gather makes it easy for remote teams to work together, communicate, and stay connected in one virtual office. That's how you can set up Gather for remote teams. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more Gather tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.